Hello all, welcome to online lecture series on first order partial differential equations. We are learning about non-linear partial differential equations in the standard forms. We have already discussed three standard forms. The first standard form being f of p comma q is equals to 0, that is non-linear partial differential equations which involve only p and q terms. And second standard form is f of p comma q comma z is equals to 0. That is non-linear partial differential equations which involve p, q and z terms but not x and y terms. And coming to standard form 3, which is also called as variable separable form, that is f of p comma x is equals to g of q comma y. That is a non-linear partial differential equation which involves p, x, q, y terms, not z, where p, x terms can be separated from q items. So in the earlier lectures we discussed about the three standard forms. Now in this lecture we are going to discuss about standard form 4, which is also called as Clairaut's form. So it has a particular form for the differential equation. A partial differential equation of the form z is equals to px plus qy plus f of p comma q, that is a function of p comma q, is said to be in standard form 4 or in Clairaut's form, or this is said to be Clairaut's partial differential equation. See here it involves p, q, x, y and z, but it should be only in this form. Z is equal to p into x plus q into y plus any function of the form of p and q. For example, say z is equals to px plus qy plus p square into q square or p square by q square. This is in Clairaut's equation, that is in standard form 4. Now let us see how we can find the solution of such partial differential equations. As in standard form 1, here also we assume the solution to be z is equals to ax plus by plus c be the solution. Now partially differentiating this with respect to x, we get dou z by dou x. Differentiating with respect to x, derivative of x is 1a and derivative of by and c is 0 because this is partial derivative. But what is dou z by dou x? It is equal to p. Similarly, partially differentiating with respect to y, we get dou z by dou y, that is q, is equal to dou z by dou y is equals to b. So p is equals to a and q is equals to b. Now we substitute this p and q in the given equation, so that we get z is equals to ax plus by plus f of a comma b is the general solution of this partial differential equation, which is in standard form 4, that is in Clairaut's form. Okay, so now we take out some partial differential equations which are in standard form 4 and we find the solutions for it. Okay. Now here we have the solve the partial differential equation. One is z is equals to px plus qy minus 2 into root pq. See here, this is in standard form 4 or Clairaut's equation because it is of the form z is equals to px plus qy plus function of p and q. So to find the solution, we assume the solution as let z is equals to ax plus by plus c be the solution. Solution of given partial differential equation. Now differentiate this equation with respect to x. Partially differentiating with respect to x. Differentiating with respect to x, we get dou z by dou x. But what is dou z by dou x? We denote dou z by dou x as p is equal to partial derivative with respect to x. Derivative of x is a, derivative of y is 0 and derivative of c is 0. So p is equals to a. Similarly, partially differentiating with respect to y. With respect to y, dou z by dou y. What is dou z by dou y? Dou z by dou y we denote with q, and here dou z by dou y we are partially differentiating with respect to y. So x is constant and hence derivative of ax is constant. B into derivative of y is 1. So this is b plus C constant, so its derivative is 0. Therefore, P is equals to A and Q is equals to B. Now we substitute the values of P and Q in the given equation. Let's call this as equation 1. Substituting in equation 1, we obtain Z is equals to Px, that is Ax plus By minus 2 into root AP. This is the general solution. General solution is of the form Z is equals to Ax plus By plus C, where C is here, minus 2 root AP. Is the general solution for the given PP. Now similarly, if we consider the second problem, here Z is equals to Px plus Qy plus square root of P square plus Q square plus 1. This is also in standard form 4. Now again we follow the same procedure. We take Z is equals to Ax plus By plus C as the solution, and we partially differentiate with respect to x, then we get P is equal to A, partially differentiate with respect to y, then we get PQ is equals to B. Therefore, P is equals to A and Q is equals to B. Now we substitute in the given partial differential equation. Call this as 1 now. So now substituting in 1, what do we get? Z is equals to Ax plus By plus root over A square plus B square plus 1. This is the general solution. So when an equation is directly in standard form 4, we follow this procedure. Or sometimes we need to check whether we can reduce the equation to Claret's equation. Okay. So in the next problem, we will see that. Now, we will solve this problem. Solve the partial differential equation. P plus Q into Z minus Px minus Qy is equals to 1. Now if you look at this equation, this is not in standard form 4. But we check whether we can reduce this equation into standard form 4. We have Z, Px and Qy terms here. What is standard form 4 equation? Z is equals to Px plus Qy plus f of P comma Q, that is a function of P comma Q. Now let us see that if we can reduce this equation in this form, that is to Claret's form. So we have P plus Q into Z minus Px minus Qy is equals to 1. So we can write this equation as, the given PDE can be written as Z minus Px minus Qy is equals to 1 by P plus Q. This into P plus Q, and it goes to right hand side, it becomes 1 by P plus Q. Or Z is equals to, take minus Px and minus Qy to right hand side, then we get Z is equals to Px plus Qy plus 1 by P plus Q. Now if we check, this equation is in the form of standard form 4. Z is equals to Px plus Qy plus a function of P and Q. So this is a standard form 4, or this is Claret's equation. Here onwards the procedure is same. So we take Z is equals to Ax plus By plus C be the solution. The solution of 1. Now differentiating this equation with respect to x, we get P, that is dou z by dou x, is equals to A, and partially differentiating with respect to y, we get Q, that is dou z by dou y, is equal to B. Now substitute P and Q in equation 1. Substituting in 1, substituting in equation 1, we get Z is equals to Px, that is Ax, P is equals to A. So Ax plus Qy, that is By, plus 1 by P plus Q, that is 1 by A plus B. This gives the general solution of given PDE. So here we reduce the given equation to standard form 4. Okay. Now I see another one such problem. Now we look one such example here. We are asked to solve the partial differential equation PQ into Z is equal to P square into QX plus P square plus Q square into PY plus Q square. Here it involves all P, Q, X, Y and Z terms. Now let us check whether we can reduce this equation into standard form 4 or not. So we need Z is equals to Px plus Qy plus f of P comma Q. Here we have P, Q, Z. So first let us divide the equation throughout with PQ and see what happens. The given PDE can be written as dividing with PQ, we get Z is equals to P square by PQ. P square by PQ gives P by Q into QX plus P square plus Q square by PQ. Q square by PQ gives Q by P into PY plus Q square. That is Z is equals to, now if we multiply with P by Q, Q gets cancelled, we get PX plus PQ by Q plus Q by P into PY is QY plus QQ by P. That is Z is equals to Px plus Qy plus PQ by Q plus QQ by P plus QQ by P. Now this is of the form Z is equals to Px plus Qy plus f of P comma Q. That is this equation, this partial differential equation is reduced to standard form 4 or Clairaut's equation. And we take the solution to be Z is equals to Ax plus By plus C. And if we partially differentiate with respect to X, then we get P is equal to A. And if we partially differentiate with respect to Y, then we get Q is equal to B. Now substituting P is equals to A and Q is equals to B in equation 1, we get Z is equal to Px plus Qy, that is Ax plus By. Ax plus By plus PQ by Q plus QQ by P, that is AQ by B plus BQ by A. Or you can write this as Z is equals to Ax plus By plus A by B. No, okay, we leave it here. This is the general solution for the given partial differential equation. So here we reduced the given partial differential equation to standard form 4. Show that the complete integral of the equation Z is equals to Px plus Qy minus 2p minus 3q represents all possible planes passing through the point 2, 3, 0. That means the solution of this partial differential equation, the general solution of this partial differential equation should represent all the planes which passes through the point 2, 3, 0. First let us find its solution for this partial differential equation. Now look at this partial differential equation. It is Z is equals to Px plus Qy minus 2p minus 3q. That is, it is of the form Z is equals to Px plus Qy plus f of P comma Q. So it is standard form 4 equation. The given equation, the given partial differential equation Z is equals to Px plus Qy minus 2p minus 3q is in standard form 4. So to find its solution, we assume the solution to be let Z is equals to Ax plus By plus C be the solution. Call this equation as 1 of equation 1. Now partially differentiating Z is equal to Ax plus By plus C with X, we get P, that is dou Z by dou X is equal to A, and Q, that is dou Z by dou Y is equal to B. Now we substitute P is equals to A and Q is equal to B in equation 1. Substituting P is equals to A and Q is equals to B in equation 1, we get Z is equal to Px, that is Ax, plus Qy, that is By, minus 2a minus 3b. This represents the planes which are the solutions of the given partial differential equation. Now we see that this equation, the equation of this plane always passes through 2 comma 3 comma 0, because if we put z is equals to 0, x is equal to 2 and y is equal to 3, what happens here? It passes through 2 comma 3 comma 0, because z is 0, a is left hand side is 0 and a is x is 2, so 2a, y is 3 plus 3b minus 2a minus 3b, that is 0. So left hand side is equal to right hand side. So it satisfies, the equation of this plane satisfies the point 2 comma 3 comma 0, that is the point 2 comma 3 comma 0 lies on the plane z is equal to ax plus by minus 2a minus 3b. So the solution of this partial differential equation represents the planes which passes through the point 2 comma 3 comma 0. That is what we are asked to prove here. So when an equation is of the form z is equal to px plus qy plus f of p comma q, it is said to be in standard form 4 or Clairaut's form. For that we assume the solution to be z is equal to ax plus by plus c. Then we get p is equal to a and q is equal to b. Substituting in 1, we obtain the general solution. Now if the equation is directly not in Clairaut's form, sometimes we can reduce it to Clairaut's form. Okay? Thank you for watching this video. Keep learning.